Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: device charged to a set level, reliable charger, and a logging app. Connect the calibrated meter inline so you measure current and voltage. This gives you true power draw rather than estimates. Once connected, set the device to the test profile, fixed brightness, define network state, so readings are repeatable. Start the logger and note the exact battery percentage and ambient temperature. This baseline explains performance shifts later. Make sure the charger behaves normally before proceeding to active loads. You now exercise the device through planned workloads to map drain behavior. Begin with idle for a fixed interval, then run a screen-on test, followed by CPU or GPU stress and a network-heavy task. This isolates which subsystem drains fastest. While each workload runs, record timestamped current in mA, voltage, and battery percentage every minute so you can compute mAh consumed. Once a cycle completes, allow brief recovery periods. These show background recovery and help separate transient spikes from steady-state drain. You finish by converting logged current over time into total mAh consumed and extrapolate expected runtime versus the rated capacity to judge battery health. Then correlate consumption spikes to the active workload, foreground apps, or radios by matching timestamps to process activity. This tells you why drain occurs. If results seem inconsistent, repeat the test under different ambient temperatures or after a clean boot or factory reset. If anomalies persist, suspect hardware or aged cells, and consider professional diagnostics as a next step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.